Freewell are known for their extensive range of camera filters as well as general camera accessories, and I've always found them to carry a super high quality, so when I needed a new travel tripod I was pretty certain that Freewell would have me covered, and they certainly did with this gem right here, the Freewell Sleek Travel Tripod. Now, most travel tripods are either photography focused with a ball head or video focused with a fluid head, but hybrid is the name of the game today, and many who do both video and photos on the fly will appreciate this new compact unit from Freewell. And you'll feel the quality as soon as you remove it from its included carry bag. Seriously, this thing feels solid, and that's thanks to the aluminum alloy and carbon fibre build, which not only makes this thing seriously strong, but also maintains a relatively low weight, less than 1 kilo in fact, an important aspect for any travel tripod. Talking of travel, it's relatively short in its folded up state too, just under 43 centimeters in length to be precise. Anyways, we have these 3 carbon fibre legs, along with a super versatile head pre-attached to the top. Sticking with the tripod itself for the moment though, as stated, we have these nice carbon fibre legs here that can be opened to various angles thanks to the locking mechanism built directly into the top of each leg. They're very sturdy when locked into place too, no issue there at all. Each leg is finished with a rubberized foot, helping to add grip wherever you decide to place the unit, and can be easily extended with a simple twist lock system. I'm generally not a fan of these twist lock mechanisms, but it actually works rather well here, considering each leg has 4 extending sections, and with each twist you feel a slight stop at each section, meaning you're able to easily extend a certain number of sections up to the maximum 4. It actually works really well, and it's quick too, meaning you can have the tripod deployed in a very short space of time. With legs folded out, we have this center column. Not only does this provide added height, very easily in fact thanks to a single thumb screw that unlocks and locks as required, it also incorporates a hook at the bottom for hanging some weight, even your backpack for instance, providing some added weight and stability even when using the tripod on rough terrain or windy conditions. Finally, finishing off the tripod, we also find 2 1/4" 20 threads built in, perfect for adding extra flexible arms or other attachments and accessories. Anyways, let's move on to the actual head, and what a really nice camera head it is. With an aluminum alloy construction, not only is this thing solid, it's one of the most versatile heads I've come across too. Although the head connects to the tripod via a standard 1/4" 20 bolt, an adapter is included and can be removed should you wish to use it on a 3/8 inch instead. But honestly, it works really well with this tripod as a combo, so I'm not sure why you'd want to move it in the first instance. Nevertheless, we have a really nice sized carbon fibre handle finished with soft foam for added comfort on the rear, along with some beautifully fluid movement across each axis. The pan axis can be unlocked with a well-sized and easy to operate thumb screw, providing a really nice fluid pan with some good resistance to ensure a smooth movement. Further up, rotate the handle to unlock the tilt axis, again very fluid with an ideal resistance level. Note, both have angled markings making precise movement achievable. Should you be unable to achieve the optimal camera position, your horizon level for instance, with the pan and tilt axes, you certainly will with the integrated ball head. Again, unlocked with a single well-sized and shaped thumb screw, the ball head is also very fluid and smooth, providing the ability to angle your payload in any way you like. In fact, it allows a complete 90-degree vertical tilt too for top-down or even completely vertical shooting. Once in position, the ball head holds firm, with up to a 5 kilo payload being supported, which is quite a bit of weight to be fair. For times where you are using the vertical orientation, a further dial beside the top plate can be loosened, providing the ability to still pan your camera at plate level, which comes in more handy than you'd imagine. Talking of the plate, this is of course at the very top and can be easily removed for attaching your payload thanks to the 1/4" 20 bolt, as well as a rubberized surface for added grip. If the versatility of the tripod and head combo wasn't enough already, the pair have some hidden features that make them even more flexible and ready for your shooting settings. Starting with the camera plate, this can be removed and reinstalled in a vertical orientation, since the opposite side incorporates plates that hinge outwards, top and bottom, and an integrated clamp, perfect for attaching your smartphone with even the larger sized smartphones being supported, a lovely little feature. Sticking with the smartphone theme, the system comes complete with an AirTag mount that can be attached to one of the legs, handy for tracking your equipment should you lose sight of it. This comes in more useful than you'd imagine, complete with its own magnetic tool holder too. Anyways, we've seen how the center column is handy for adding weight, but should it not be needed, whether it's just getting in the way or maybe you're after some low level shots that require the highest level of stability, the column can be quickly and easily removed by unscrewing the hook itself from the bottom of the column and using the tool on the opposite end to loosen two set screws that keep the center column securely attached. Meaning the column can now be removed should you wish to do so, quick and easy. In fact, we can go one step further here and remove the top portion of the column, along with the head, and flip it over completely, now mounting your payload in an underslung mode for some really nice low-level stable shots. Another example of how the panning and integrated ball head work really well in orientating the camera. And to top it off, for situations where space is limited or more mobility is required, by simply unscrewing one of the legs, you can quickly transform the setup into a monopod, particularly useful in crowded places or for uneven terrain where setting up a tripod may be challenging. All in all then, you can clearly see how versatile this system really is. Freewell really thought this one through, and we have everything we need rolled up into this one super portable and lightweight travel tripod. Being critical though, I would have preferred a traditional locking system for the legs rather than a twist lock. I just feel it makes for more precise control over this twist lock system. Otherwise though, the hybrid head is great, with both traditional panning as well as that ball head hybrid design. It really is a joy to use. As an all-rounder, the Freewell travel tripod carries a super high quality look and feel, is fully functional, and seems to tick all the right boxes. A great compact solution.